cats, welcome back to my channel. Well, today what I have for you is a Dollar Tree Valentine's haul. The Dollar Tree has so many wonderful things out this year. I mean, I really have found some new finds that are, to me, they're new, and I think you'll love them. Okay, so let's start off with these little picture frames. They're 4x6. I haven't seen these in my Dollar Tree before. Now, maybe my Dollar Tree just didn't have them, but they're light blue, and then they have this gold around it, and it almost looks like a shadow box picture frame. It's so cute. So I picked up 4 of these. And like I said, they hold 4x6 pictures. Okay, then I saw this red little container. Now, I have seen these containers before, and at Valentine's they come out with the red ones. But I thought I would pick this up. Not sure what I'm going to be doing with it, but I thought it was really pretty. Then they're flowers. You just cannot beat Dollar Tree's flowers. These roses look so real. I got a pink bunch and a red bunch. Just look at that. You could not tell the difference. Okay, so I got 2 bunches of those. Then when I was in there, now they may have had this before. I don't think I've seen them. It's these heart-shaped makeup sponges, and you get a white, a pink, and 2 red, and they feel pretty soft actually. Then I don't remember ever seeing this. Maybe I just missed it. It's possible. But I love the red truck, and this is one for Valentine's. It says Happy Valentine's Day. The truck is red glitter. It has red hearts on the wheels, and then it's carrying hearts. And then it has this little hang strap. When I saw this, I fell in love with it. It is so pretty. But I picked that up. And then I saw these. I don't remember ever seeing these either. They have the cutest little bow. It's like a burlap, and it's red and just natural color. And I think it goes quite nicely with how they fixed this kind of like a farmhouse. I don't know, you could probably even pull this off French country, but it says Happy Valentine's Day in glitter, and it has hearts with this bike, and these hearts are coming up out of the basket of the bike, and these hearts, the red ones, are glitter. But that is so pretty, and it's really tall, and it has just a little hang tag. I love that one. And then here's this. The truck again. I can't get over it, with the same little bow. This one got a little mashed, and it says love is all you need, with the truck with the red glitter hearts just coming out like it's just blowing out of the truck while it's driving. And then it says love right here. I think this is adorable, and it has a hang tag as well. I hope you all can find these in your stores because I love them, okay? And then they have these scarves all the time, but I thought this one was a very pretty pattern. It just has the hearts. It has like a blue heart, pink heart, light red heart, dark heart, and a white heart. And I thought that is really cute. You know, that would be cute to wear around, or you could do something with this. So I picked that up. Then they have these all the time, and I may have a bunch in my stash, but I went ahead and picked up some red hearts and some pink hearts. I just love these. You can do so much with them. And then in their handcrafted section, where you can make your own things, they had this wooden heart box, and the top comes off, and I thought that was really sweet. I'm sure my other Dollar Tree probably has different ones, but I only went to one Dollar Tree. But I loved this, and it's thick, you know. Okay, and then now I hadn't seen this before. They had photo paper in the Dollar Tree. I was shocked. It's premium photo paper. It's Jot, so you know it's Dollar Tree. You get 6 sheets for $1. It's 48 pound, and it's suitable for inkjet printers. It's scrapbook safe, acid free, and it's bright white, and it's 9 mil. So I thought that was, I'm going to try that out. I had never seen that before. And then they had some bags, and when I saw this one, I fell in love with it. It just says, well, it's hard to see, but it says, "You drive me crazy." And with the car that's pink, and it looks like a vintage car from like maybe the 50s, maybe early 60s. And it has the heart right there, and then the heart on top, and it's so, just the color of that heart, it almost looks tie-dyed. I love it. So this is a good thing, just to, you could carry anything within that, your groceries even. Okay, and then I saw this heart mailbox. They had another one, and I almost got it. It had a heart, and it was red. But this one just talks about Cupid Express. I think it's so funny. And then opens, and the flag comes up. And it just has mail with hearts. Like Cupid, you know, you're just Cupid, and you're sending your love mail. I think it is so sweet, okay? And then they had this Russell Stover Itty-Bitty hearts. Now this is a good deal if you want to give somebody a gift, like at work, you just want to give somebody something, or you want to give your child's teacher something. Anything like this is very good, or you just want to give yourself, which is what I'm going to do, okay? Or I might give it to my husband, who knows? I might share. Then I saw this, and I don't know if I've seen this before or not, but it was metal, and they had it in different colors, and you could put your iPhone or your phone in that and let it just stand up, or you could put a book, anything, papers. You could do a lot with this, so I thought this was really cute for $1, and I like the little scroll work on it. Then I saw these Happy Valentine's Day treat bags, and I thought that would be really cute, and they're Ziploc kind of bags. They just zip shut. So I thought you could put little treats. I could put it in my husband's lunch every day, a little snack, something he's not expecting. I think this is a great idea. Then I found, they've had this before, but these foam heart stickers that look like the conversation stickers. I got 3 bunches of this. And then I got 2, I think it was just 2 bunches of these little hearts that are glitter. They have the red and the pink, and they're different sizes. They have the larger ones and the smaller ones. So I got 2 of these. Then I was in the section where the washi was, and I saw these paper clips. This is great for planners. You can just put this in there to hold your place. I love these. They're already made for you. You could get your own pom-poms and hot glue them onto paper clips if you wanted, but I thought for $1 you can't beat this. So I picked that up, and then these have like the little tassels, and that would be great for a planner. You really can get a lot of very economical planner supplies at the Dollar Tree, okay? And then I have some more Valentine's things, but I'm trying to show some other stuff first. Then Crafter Square had these really pretty seed beads, and I loved all the colors. You could put these in pocket letters, friend mail, anything. You could, the sky's the limit what you could do with this. So I got these blue ones, different variations of blue. And I love these green ones. I'm really getting into green. I don't know why, but I love it. And then I always love pink and purple. And this is pink, light pink, and then it goes to more of a fuchsia. I love those. Then I picked up a clear plate. You cannot beat clear plates there. Then I picked up 2 little popcorn tins. I have an idea in mind for this. If it turns out, you'll be seeing it. And then I picked up some washi. I think I have this one, but anytime I'm in there and they have anything that I think maybe I don't have, I pick it up. But I think I have that one. But then I think I might have this one too, but I really did like it. I think it's very pretty. But this one I don't have, and I've never seen. It's just fruit, like avocado, strawberries. And I thought that was really sweet. And then this one I don't have. It's just flowers. That is just so pretty. And I love Dollar Tree's washi. I really do. Some people don't, but I do. Okay, and then I picked up a packet of these. They're just so pretty, and they're different colors of purple with flowers, and they're just notebooks, and you get 4 in here. It's great to throw in your purse, so you'll have something if you want to write something down. Keep it in your car if you need to write something down. I mean, I'd stash these near the phone everywhere, so I picked that up. Okay, now for the rest of my Valentine's goodies, okay? Now, if you have children in school, this is perfect for you. As a parent, you can get this, and you get 18 pieces, and they're the little sticker boxes, and they say, they had different kinds. This has more a female version. They had the male version too, and stickers come out, and this would be a great thing for them to give. You would save a lot of money buying this, and then your children could give them in school. So I thought that was good. And same principle for this. They had Valentine's cards, and they had the male and female versions. But this one says, I'm hung up on you, Valentine. And then you can write on the back, to and from. I just thought these were really cute. And they just repeat themselves with the same thing. But I thought for $1, you can't beat this. And you get 113 stickers in here as well, because it also contains 2 sheets of stickers. I think it's 2 sheets. I thought that's what I saw. No, I guess not. Okay, it contains 1 set of stickers, but you get 32 Valentine cards for $1, okay? And then here's the more male version, or it could be for a girl, Valentine cards, and this has the dog, the pizza, let's talk about how much I love you, my heart beats for you. I think these are cute. And same principle, you can write to and from on the back, and you get the stickers. So I just think I wanted to haul this for you all because I could use these in my planner, which you could also do. But if you have children going to school, you can save a lot of money. And then they also had exchange cards. You get 6, and it has like little skateboards on it, and you can write the to and from on there. I just thought that was cute. And then they have a more female version with lipstick and phones. And like I said, you get 6 pieces with the cards, and you can say to and from. And then they have dinosaurs. So they've got you covered as far as that goes. Then I picked me up some socks for Valentine's Day. I love Dollar Tree socks. And these are so cute. They just have the keys and the hearts. And these are the taller ones. They're knee-high, so I like that. And these feel pretty soft. And then this had like a little bulldog with a heart. I just think it's fun to dress for the different holidays. I think I'm a kid at heart, really. But and then these are like the little low-cut socks, like footies. And it has a pretty little terrier with a headband with hearts. I thought I'll enjoy wearing those. And then these are some crew socks, and they have the little dog with the heart, and then this stripe on the back. So I thought those were cute. Now we're almost finished. The last thing I'm going to show you is their handmade cards. These are great to give as cards or to use in your planner. And this says, for my man on Valentine's Day, and it has all the tools. And there's the back, and it comes with a red envelope. And the inside just said, Happy Valentine's Day to the man who makes my world a better place in so many ways. I thought that was cute. Then this says, amazing husband. You're smart, funny, strong, handsome, caring. You are everything I could ask for in a partner and more. I'm so thankful that mine. Happy Valentine's Day with love. So those are cute, but like I said, and this is pop-up, it's dimensional. The other one wasn't, but you can put these in planners, and this one I love. Look at that iridescent background with these hearts. Love you, cutie. And then it just has hearts on the inside. Wishing you a sweet Valentine's Day. So I thought that was cute. Then we just fit like a puzzle piece. That's so cute. And this is raised, this part. And then it opens up and it has a saying in there. And like I said, they all come with their cards. Their envelopes. And then for my husband with love, I just thought those were cute. You could cut these hearts out and they stand up. And then for the love of my life, this would be beautiful in a planner. And then look at the inside, how pretty. I mean, Dollar Tree really has gorgeous handmade cards. So that's all I found at the Dollar Tree. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine haul with a little bit of other stuff thrown into. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye guys.